Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you 10 more essential phrases you should know to understand English better, to understand super fast English. If you want to know English deeply, you have to know some essential phrases in daily use. Today I'm going to tell you 10 more essential phrases in daily use. Somebody or someone has put up your question, do you like American food? Suppose someone had put up a question, do you like American food? You can answer in yes or no. Yes, I like. Or you can say no, I don't like. Or you can reply in a very special way. You can answer yes, I like Philly cheese stick. Yes, I like only Philly cheese stick. Somebody or someone had put up a question, have you been to United States? You can answer yes. I have been United States to United States twice, or you can say no. I haven't been to United States, but I want to go. But I want to go. The next phrase of today's lecture, very excellent phrase. How are you? How are you? You can answer according to yourself. I'm good. I'm great. I'm cool. I'm fine. Thank you. And you? In return, you can say I'm fine too. The next phrase, very special English phrase. The next phrase, how long have you been staying in this city? You can answer to yourself, I have been staying in this city for 2 years, or I have been staying in this city since 1995. Remember, since is used for point of the time and for is for period of time. Someone has put up a question, how old are you? You can answer to yourself, as in my case, I am 45-year old. You can say I am 15, I am 25. You can answer according to yourself. Somebody or someone has put up a question, what's your name? Very excellent phrase of daily use. What's your name? You can say, as in my case, I am Adish Sharma, or this is Adish Sharma, or my name is Adish Sharma. You can say according to yourself. You can answer according to yourself. I am Trump, I am Binny, I am Sydney, I am Tony, I am Moni. You can answer according to yourself. Somebody or someone has put up your question. Somebody or someone has put up your question. From where are you? From where are you? Very excellent phrase of daily use. From where are you? You can answer according to yourself. As in case, I am from Jalalabad, I am from, you can answer according to self, I am from Pune, I am from Saharanpur, I am from Meerut, I am from Muzaffarnagar. You can mention your country also. I am from India, I am from China, I am from America, I am from Canada, I am from Australia, I am from New Zealand. You can answer. Either you can mention your city, your town, or you can mention your country also in this type of question. Somebody or someone has asked you, somebody or someone has asked you, have you ever been to Canada, or have you ever been to America? You can answer according to self, yes, I have been to America twice, or you can say, you can answer according to self, no, I have never been to America. You can answer according to self, yes, I have been to America many times, or you can say, no, I have never been to America. Somebody or someone has asked you, somebody or someone has put a question, which game do you like most? As in my case, I like cricket most. You can answer according to yourself, I like football most, I like hockey most, I like badminton most. You can answer according to yourself. Somebody or someone has asked you, somebody or someone has asked you, how long have you been staying, how long have you been, how long have you been teaching in this college? You can answer according to self, I have been teaching in this college for 2 years, or I have been teaching in this college for 3 years, or you can say I have been teaching in this college since 2021. You can answer according to yourself. Somebody or someone, suppose somebody or someone has asked you, what do you want to be? You can answer according to yourself. As in case, I want to be a very famous YouTuber, you can answer according to yourself. I want to be a businessman, I want to be a teacher, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a singer, I want to be a wrestler. You can answer according to yourself. Somebody or someone had put up your question, somebody or someone has put up your question. How many members are there in your family? You can answer according to self. As in case there are 5 members in my family, you can answer according to self. You can answer there are 2 members, there are 3 members in my family. You can answer according to self. Somebody or someone had asked you, somebody or someone had asked you, which game do you like most? As in my case, I like cricket most. You can answer according to self. I like hockey most. I like football most. I like badminton most. You can answer according to self. Somebody or someone. Suppose somebody or someone had put up your question. Somebody or someone had put up your question. Have you ever been to? Have you ever been to New Delhi, or have you ever been to America? You can answer according to self. Yes, I have been to America twice. Or you can say, yes, I have been to America many times. Or you can say, no, I have never been to America. You can answer according to yourself. You can answer according to yourself. Someone has asked you which writer or which poet of English do you like most. As in my case, I like Shakespeare most. You can answer according to yourself. I like Milton most. I like Wordsworth most. William Wordsworth most. You can answer according to yourself. For such information of English language, subscribe our channel, like and share the video. That's all for the day. Have a very nice day.